Hi, this side Samir Verma from Alpha Value Consulting. Today I am going to discuss some factors that I believe to be among the most important economic indicators anyone can follow by reading the news accordingly. By and large, these factors can be called as barometer, which can be used to gauge the major shifts in valuation of any company. The fundamental factors of economics, whether it can be GDP rate of the country, inflation rate, industrial productivity index, interest rate fluctuation, currency exchange rate, have the capacity to swing the valuation of any company in either direction. The fundamental factor plays a major role in building the future, and the future cash flow possibility creates a value proposition for the company. At times, the company fundamental may be strong, but markets do not perceive it. The stock market do not rate the stock as a good option to buy. So the stock market is a combination of performance of the company as financial parameters as well as how the fundamental factors of the economy were working at that point of time. The impact of market sentiments and high participation of noisy traders may cause fluctuation in stock prices that may help the short-run growth in the company, but long-run distortion and correspondingly valuation multiples may be highly volatile. In that case, blindly looking at the valuation multiple at the date of valuation may provide incorrect picture of valuation. Another factor is the availability of credit. Now, this is the greatest risk appetite factor for corporates, which directly affects its cash flow and financial solvency. Higher rate of lending or raising funds from private equity investor in case of non-availability of funds may entail lower valuation of the company. Another factor is the inflation. This factor can be viewed as the increase in cost of raw material, production inputs cost, and that may result in decline in corporate profits. In response to which, government takes some tightening steps to stabilize an economy. Make sure the impact of the same has been captured in the projected cash flow, or otherwise valuer need to build the additional company specific risk premium while evaluating the overall cash flow discounting factor. Thank you so much.